Guys, we've got some Yowie chocolate, looks like egg-like things with toys in them. This one's named Boof, and he's orange. He's got some silly little teeth showing. He is 1 ounce. And this one's Crag. He's got some crazy teeth going on there. He's green. And this one is Diddy. He has got one cool mustache going on. He is turquoise. Let's see what's inside of him. Let's get Boof opened up. Oh, wow. He's got fur-looking chocolate, and it looks like he comes right apart. Oh, I'll have to take a taste of that. That is yummy. Let's get them open. Let's see what's inside. Oh, and this one it looks like we've got a bear. The brown bear. He eats roots and berries. Look how cool he is. We'll set him over there. We'll see what's inside Crag now. Oh, he looks furry on the back too. We'll have to taste that chocolate later. Get him opened up, see what's inside there. Oh, in this one it looks like we've got a gray wolf. He eats mainly large mammals. Whoa, look at him. He's even got little teeth showing. Set him over there with his egg. And now let's see what's inside Diddy with that cool mustache. Looks furry on the back too. It's cool how they did that with chocolate. Let's get him opened up. Oh, and what's inside him? It looks orange. We got a Rumble. Rumble is one of them. He's the Red Gum Yowie. He's the leader of the Yowie pack, and he's an excitable, rough and tumble character. He is cousin to the Red Kangaroo. Rumble is always ready to make a stand in defense of desert and plain. He's inclined to be impatient. His bark is far worse than his bite, and underneath there is a heart of gold. And it looks like they've shown us a picture of all of the Yowies. Welcome to the Yowie world. Well, I'm super excited that we got one of them. And that's what we got inside of the Yowie eggs.